Welcome back to the channel. In this video I explain the Taobao app review to see with what you're using. So let's quickly dive into it. The Taobao app is a powerhouse for online shopping, offering millions of products at low price, from fashion to gadget to home decoration and the real items you won't find elsewhere. It's perfect for bargain hunters and those who enjoy exploring a massive variety of options with features like seller rating, review, and secure checkout through Alipay. However, the app is mainly built for Chinese users, so the language barrier and complex interface can be frustrating for international shoppers. Shipping time can be long, and return or refund are often tricky outside China. So, in conclusion, the Taobao is worth using if you are after great deals and don't mind navigating a few challenges. But casual or first-time shopper may find it overwhelming. And that's it. Hope you find the video helpful. Turn on the notification button and subscribe for more review.